Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Android Studio and Gradle support motion layout. This gives access to motion scene and constraint set features. Create a layout with motion layout as the root or wrapper, then add a separate motion scene. XML resource. Define two constraint sets, start and end, and declare a transition with duration in milliseconds so you can animate between them. Once done, reference the motion scene in the Layouts app. Layout description. This links the scene to visible UI components. Next, you map how views move and change. In each constraint set, override attributes like layout constraint guide %, width, height, translation X, and rotation so motion layout knows target states. Add key position and key attribute frames to control trajectories and property changes at 25%, 50%, or 75% progress. Percent values give precise timing. Then wire the transition with on-swipe for gesture-driven motion or on-click for taps. Finally, polish animations and verify behavior across device sizes. Use the Layout Editor's Motion Editor to scrub progress, tweak keyframes, and preview multiple screen widths. This saves trial and error. Hook set Transition Listener in your activity or fragment to observe on transition change and adjust live. Test gesture velocity and interruptibility to avoid janky UI. If something breaks, make sure constraint ID and attribute names match exactly. Then check nested scrolling views or interceptors. Those are the most common culprits to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.